Hi boys and girls, we're reporting live from Camden Yoder's desk to bring to you lessons about extending tables. This is in your Wednesday packet, and we're going to look at how a table is an organized way to show a pattern. It puts it in nice and easy, and each pair goes together. So the weeks are on the left side, the days are on the right side. So what this is saying is if you have 1 week, in 1 week, there are 7 days. In 3 weeks, there are 21 days. In 5 weeks, there are 35 days. In 6 weeks, there are 42 days. In 8 weeks, how many days are there? We're going to use this table. We're going to learn how to use tables to help us to extend a rule. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what the rule is. From the week side, what are you doing to get to the days side? Now, you've been living for quite a long time, and you know in each week there are 7 days. 1 week is 7 days. So we're multiplying by 7. Our rule is to multiply by 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. What is 8 times 7? My class, you know this is one of my favorite facts. 8, 7, well, it doesn't go that way. 56. 7 times 8 is 56. Goodness gracious. Okay, so 8 times 7 is 56. So we're going to use this to help us to complete these tables. We're going to look at one more. We can divide. For the first 4 weeks are shown. You can divide. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 21 divided by 7 is 3. We know that multiplication and division are the opposites, so we can go both ways with that. So we're going to use this table and figure out how many cars, or one car tells us 4 wheels. On one car, there are 4 wheels. On 2 cars, there are 8 wheels. On 3 cars, there are some amount of wheels that we're going to try to figure out. On 4 cars, there are 16 wheels. 8 cars have 32 wheels. So what is our rule here? It doesn't tell us that we have to, but this is a great way to show your work, to know that we know you understand what you're doing. So one group of cars times 4 is 4 wheels. 2 cars times 4 wheels is 8 wheels. 3 cars times 4 on each one is 12 wheels. So our rule is multiply by 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. If we're looking at the old price and the new price, something is happening every single time to get from the old price to the new price. How would you get from 63 to 53? What change is happening? Well, we can see that it's getting smaller, so our rule is going to be to subtract. We'll write this down here. We're either subtracting or dividing. 63 minus 10 is $53. $48 minus $10 is $38. So far we have a pretty good rule established. Let's see if it works on all of them. 37 minus 10 is 27. 26 minus 10 is 16. So it looks like we're pretty safe in saying, since it works every time, our rule is to subtract $10. So something minus 10 is 31. We could also work backwards. If we know that we're subtracting 10 going this way, we're going to add 10 going that way. So 31 plus 10 is $41. Let's make sure that it works once you have it plugged in. 41 minus 10 is 31, so we're in good shape. Okay, let's do one more together. We're going to look at the weight of salad in ounces and the total weight of the container in ounces. So you notice that this table goes the other way. This is the weight of one salad in ounces. One salad is 6 ounces. And the total weight of the container, that means the salad plus the container, is 9 ounces. So what happens going from the weight of salad to the total weight of the container? It's growing. So we're either adding or multiplying. 6 plus 3 is 7, is 9, excuse me. 6 plus 3 is 9. 10 plus 3 is also 13. 14 plus 3 is also 17. So if we're telling ourselves that the rule is to add 3, 18 plus 3 is what? 21. See you later.